What up? It's Matt, Talk Up to the Mustang. I'm excited because today I'm going to pick up the freshly painted bumper cover for the Fox body, and then hopefully be able to get that and the ground effect on the passenger side back on the car. And then I can also see about doing the body molding stripe. So, woohoo! Exciting stuff. Check it out. Bumper ground effect. Paint looks pretty good. Pretty excited. So, pretty happy with the first impressions of the new paint on the Fox rear bumper cover. So, I do need to add I got some new lettering so that it'll match what I have on the rocker panel. And I bought this so long ago, I haven't used it at all, but this red stripe that will eventually go around this part to bring it back to looking stockish. But you can see, of course, my neighbors want to do their leaf blowing right now. Classic. But you can see probably not too closely because the light's not great, but obviously the quality of the paint is a lot better on the new bumper. But at some point I do want to take the car over to the same shop that did this paint and just see what it would cost to get some of the stuff touched up, like some of the stuff on the front bumper and above the windshield and a few other spots. Again, I've mentioned this before, but I'm not trying to make it a show car. I just like it to look pretty good from 5 to 10 feet away. So now I'm going to attempt to put the new bumper on. What up? It's like weeks later, like, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks after I got the bumper cover painted, and as you can see, it is still not installed on the Fox body. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, I've been limping around with some sort of foot or ankle injury. I think something's wrong with my Achilles. The other reason is I've been trying to figure out so if I could install the passenger side ground effect thing, then I would already be done. But basically I haven't been very unsuccessful in finding replacements for these particular parts, so I need to probably straighten them out, get rid of the rust, and paint them. And then somebody suggested using a thing called a tap and die kit to like straighten and do whatever with the bolts. And also I was supposed to get some type of adhesive promoter. It was supposed to come with the kit adhesion promoter, and I have been unsuccessful in finding that, since this thing actually uses like double-sided tape and a little bit of hardware. So that's why I haven't done anything of note on the Fox body recently. So I did manage to find adhesion promoter online, and I ordered that. I also got a drill bit that I needed, because I guess I have to drill something into this and maybe somewhere else. I know it's a little confusing. Of course, this is not as easy as I was hoping it would be. But hopefully next week, when I have the adhesion promoter and I can get those brackets sorted out, then I can get the rear bumper cover put back on, and then start focusing on other stuff. Anyways, that's my super anticlimactic update for this week on the Fox Mustang project. But keep an eye out for my next video, which will hopefully have more substantial progress. Anyways, hope you're staying healthy, hope you're staying safe. Peace out.